In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tasks list to a task in Zoho Project. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to keep your work organized using task lists inside your project. Let's start from your main Zoho Project dashboard. First, open the project where you want to create and manage your task list. Once you're inside that project, look for the Tasks section. This is usually found in the project's top or side navigation. Go ahead and click on Tasks to open the list of all existing tasks for that project. Now, locate the specific task that you want to add a task list to. This might be a main task that you want to break into smaller, more manageable items. Click on the task name to open its detailed view. You should now see all the information related to that task, such as its description, assignee, due dates, and more. Within this task detail view, look for an option related to subtasks or a task list. In Zoho Project, this is where you're able to break down a larger task into a series of smaller action items. Click on the option to add or create a new list within this task. If you see a plus icon or an Add button near a section labeled Subtasks, Checklist, or Tasks List, that's where you want to be. Once you've opened the area to create the list, start by giving your new tasks list a clear, descriptive name. For example, instead of just calling it steps, use something like Design Review Checklist or Client Onboarding Steps. A good title helps everyone on your team quickly understand what the list is for. After naming your list, begin adding individual items. Each item should represent a small, actionable step that helps complete the overall task. Type in the first item, then confirm or save it, and repeat for each additional item you need. Take a moment to think through the logical order of these steps so the list flows in a way that makes sense. As you add items, you can usually reorder them by dragging and dropping or by using up and down arrows, depending on your Zoho project layout. Adjust the order until it reflects the sequence in which the work should be done. Finally, once your tasks list is set up, make sure it's visible to the right team members and that any necessary assignees or due dates on the main task are accurate. This ensures your list is not just created, but actually used as part of your workflow. That's all you need to add a tasks list to a task